Hey everybody, X here with BP Fab. Today I'm bringing you just a tip. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the copy-paste function on our smart SV2 Fanuc controller.
So what you're going to want to do is you're first going to want to go to your G54 or whatever the first part of your program is. Then you're going to select your operator. You're going to go to select, and then you're going to use your arrow key and highlight all the way to your end of block. Make sure the end of block is highlighted. And then you'll come down here and press either copy or cut. In this case, I'm going to hit cut. And then if you ever come back to this page, you go back to operator, and then your paste button is right here. And I put your code back in.